Good morning. So right now I got a salad and fruit. About to get a drink. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I've never seen the beach with such a sandbar before. I'm gonna find enough shells to make me and Ava matching necklaces. I might go swim. Hey vlog! Ow. Ooh, it's chilly. I don't know if I want to do this anymore.
Not gonna dive in?
I am, I'm just cold. Ugh, so chilly. It's not that cold really. Hey vlog, this is my outfit. I'm gonna do my makeup and then pack my bag. I'm planning on doing my makeup real quick so that I can blow dry my hair. So we're leaving tomorrow. I'm very sad, but this was a really good, fun, short trip, so no complaints. I literally brought a good amount of makeup to not even do it at all. So I'm just gonna do a little concealer. Just because my dark circles are really pronunciated. The thing I love about summer and being tan is that you literally don't have to wear makeup just because you already look so like bronze. If anyone's watching this right now and feeling underwhelmed at my travel videography, I would just like to preface that Cape Cod is way better for travel vlogs because I have my cousins and I have Ava. Like it's just me and my grandparents and my dad, so it was just like a chill vlog or chill trip, so no one really wanted to be on video. Also, my hair's getting so long. Oh, I feel like this is something my mom would wear, but not in like a mom way, but in like a cute, vintage, oh my gosh, retro way. I feel like this doesn't really capture the tan, you know? Hey guys, so I didn't vlog at dinner because someone hit my grandma's car and just like drove off, and we had to some lady told us this and like gave us a license plate and whatnot, and so like we had to deal with that. Or I didn't, but they had to deal with that. Dinner was good. We had tacos, and later I'm going to drive around my Papacy's convertible at sunset. So stay tuned for that. Hi fancy friends. I am not an arts and crafts girl at all. So I'm going to attempt to make a shell necklace. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna attempt to, all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dude, I could have freaking found rocks or shells that had holes in them and I just chose to... Oh. This is awesome! I didn't realize me and Ava had found so many cool shells. I might bring one back for decoration. This one's... Okay, there's sand in that. Okay, nice. I wish I did more arts and crafts. It's like therapeutic in a way. Oh, bruh. Alright, y'all. So I don't have a speaker and this car does not connect to Bluetooth, so I'm a little sad, but you know, it's one. That's it for the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed.